Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P2127 indicates a malfunction in the accelerator pedal position, APP sensor, B circuit, specifically indicating that the output voltage falls below a certain threshold. In Honda vehicles, particularly the 2022 Plus Civic, the APP sensor plays a critical role in determining the position of the accelerator pedal, which directly influences the throttle response. When this voltage is low, the engine control module, ECM, or powertrain control module, PCM, might detect the issue, registers a fault, and stores the DTC P2127. The APP sensor is integrated with the accelerator pedal module, located near the driver's footwell, providing essential data to the PCM for proper engine operation. Proper troubleshooting procedures must be followed to ascertain the exact cause of the issue and rectify it efficiently. The error description for DTC P2127 highlights issues primarily related to the accelerator pedal position, APP sensor B. The APP sensor is an integral component, meaning it works in conjunction with the accelerator pedal module located in the driver's footwell area. Its main function is to detect the pedal's position and relay this information to the powertrain control module, PCM, which in turn adjusts the throttle opening accordingly. If the sensor detects a voltage output lower than 0.2 volts, the system will deem this a failure, triggering the fault code P2127. The PCM is the brain of the vehicle's engine management system and relies on accurate sensor input to optimize performance. Therefore, understanding the layout and functionality of these components is crucial for effective diagnostic procedures. There are several possible causes for DTC P2127. First and foremost, a low output from the accelerator pedal position, APP sensor, could trigger this code, indicating a need for testing or replacement of the sensor itself. Circuit issues may arise, either from poor connections, frayed wiring, or other electrical problems that affect signal transmission between the sensor and the powertrain control module, PCM. Additionally, a malfunction within the PCM can also account for the issue if other components have been ruled out as the sources of the problem. Finally, there may be general wiring issues that could impede proper communication and operation of the sensor and PCM. Each of these potential causes needs careful examination during the troubleshooting process. When DTC P2127 is present, drivers may notice several symptoms indicating a potential problem. The most common is the activation of the check engine light, which signals a need for diagnostic inspection. Additionally, poor throttle response may occur, meaning the car does not accelerate as expected when the pedal is pressed. This can lead to reduced engine performance, making driving less smooth or responsive. It is essential to note that while these symptoms can indicate the presence of DTC P2127, they may also be linked to other engine issues, further emphasizing the need for a comprehensive diagnostic approach. Ensuring that the vehicle runs optimally includes addressing these symptoms swiftly. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC P2127 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode. This activates the vehicle's electrical systems but does not start the engine. Next, it's crucial to check the accelerating pedal position, APP, sensor B voltage, using Honda Diagnostic System HDS equipment. If the voltage reported is less than 0.2 volts, it confirms the failure as expected. This inspection is vital as it directly relates to how the system interprets the position of the accelerator pedal. If the readings indicate a failure, further investigation into the sensor or its electrical connections will be necessary to locate the root cause of the low voltage output. Documenting the voltage findings is also essential for referencing during follow-up steps. In this step, the technician will disconnect the APP sensor 6P connector to prepare for further testing. By jumping terminals number 1 and number 3 of the connector, this bypasses certain connections, allowing for a more direct assessment of the sensor's function. The vehicle should then be turned to the on mode without starting the engine to observe the HDS tool's readings. The expected condition is that the voltage for APP sensor B should now read more than 0.2 volts. If it does, it indicates a fault is likely within the accelerator pedal module itself, rather than the APP sensor or its wiring. This step is formative in isolating the source of the issue, highlighting the need for precise operational checks in the troubleshooting process. The next critical step involves inspecting the VCC5 circuit and ensuring the integrity of the wiring. Once more, the vehicle's electrical systems must be in proper condition, so a detailed examination should be performed with the APP sensor 6P connector and the PCN connector A both disconnected. The wiring should be tested for continuity and resistance, with checks performed to confirm that there is less than 1 ohm of resistance in the VCC5 circuit. By ensuring the wire is in good condition, we can rule out any open or shorted circuits that might lead to electrical faults. If resistance levels are above this threshold, further investigation will be needed to identify and rectify any wiring issues that could affect the sensor output, emphasizing the importance of robust electrical connections in any vehicle system. Following the inspection of the VCC5 circuit, the next focus is on the APS2 circuit. Similar to the previous step, the technician needs to disconnect the necessary components and perform checks for continuity. This involves ensuring that the APS2 circuit has less than 1 ohm of resistance when tested. The low resistance reading indicates that there are no interruptions in the circuit's integrity. If the results show a short to ground or an open circuit condition, the technician will need to address this issue before proceeding. A solid APS2 circuit is vital, as it plays a key role in transmitting the accelerator position to the powertrain control module, PCM. Hence, discovering and fixing any anomalies at this stage aids in preventing further complications in the vehicle's performance. The final troubleshooting step addresses the PCM functionality itself, which is essential for managing the vehicle's performance and responsiveness to driver input. If both the APP sensor and the relevant circuit items have been tested and returned with normal findings, the likelihood that the PCM is at fault becomes significant. Testing involves specialized equipment to evaluate the PCM's operations and response to the APP sensor inputs. If the PCM fails to process the data as expected, it may require reprogramming or replacement. This step is crucial because even after clearing the DTC, if the PCM itself is not functioning correctly, the same error may reoccur, impacting the overall drivability of the vehicle. After completing all repairs and resolving issues related to DTC P2127, performing a final repair verification is imperative. This process begins by clearing the DTC from the powertrain control module PCM to reset any monitoring systems. Following this, a test drive is essential to ensure that the vehicle operates correctly and that the throttle response is as intended. During the test drive, pay attention to any previously noted symptoms, such as delayed throttle response or check engine light activation. If no issues arise during this phase, it confirms that repairs made have rectified the original problem. Should any symptoms persist, further diagnosis may be required to identify underlying issues that may have been previously unnoticed. Preventive maintenance plays a critical role in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P2127. Regular inspections of the accelerator pedal position APP sensor and related circuits should be integrated into routine vehicle maintenance checks. Keeping an eye on the vehicle's performance and requesting timely repairs can help maintain optimal system function and prevent deterioration. In addition, staying informed about any manufacturer recalls or service updates regarding APP sensors or PCM-related issues can safeguard against unpredicted failures. Awareness and early intervention based on maintenance schedules and recalls can significantly enhance the longevity of the vehicle's accelerator and throttle control system. In conclusion, understanding the role of the accelerator pedal position APP sensor and the circuit integrity is crucial in diagnosing DTC P2127. Following the structured troubleshooting steps outlined in the guide provides a comprehensive approach to identify and resolve underlying issues effectively. Furthermore, addressing potential problems quickly and performing regular vehicle maintenance are key elements to ensure the longevity and reliability of the accelerator system. By being proactive about repairs and maintaining awareness of the components involved, vehicle owners and technicians alike can ensure the highest level of performance for the Honda Civic 2022 Plus. Adopting these practices will help mitigate future issues and enhance overall driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.